Hi,
Hi Alpesh, good
કેમ છો?
evening. I am good. તમે કેમ છો?
બસ, I'm fine. If you can put
I
your
hope
screen
I am
little bit up.
audible.
Yes, yes. You are audible. Your background, this થોડું ઉપર નીચે લાવી દો phone so that your head is visible.
1 second.
Yeah,
I have to put my screen up. Just a moment.
yeah. Take your time.
Is
Perfect,
it okay now?
perfect.
All right.
So how are you, Dr. Mihir?
I'm good. How are you doing? I'm so glad to see you and hear from you. You're doing such a good job. I think we all need not see the news now. Just a
Yeah,
quick update from you and it's all done.
yes. I was doing all this research, and I made the notes. See, if you can see.
Really. That's really good for the audience.
Yeah. So, Dr. Mihir, let me give you a quick introduction to all my viewers, and then we can take it ahead because I'm pretty sure
Sure.
that this discussion is going to be a very informative for all of us, including myself. So, guys, Dr. Mihir Parekh is a child psychologist and a special educator. He's the founder and director of Urja Counseling and Remedial Center. He has done his doctorate in psychology, learning disability. He has also written many articles in Gujarati midday newspapers and other publications. He is a counselor and consultant in around 11 schools in Mumbai. He is also an author of book Life Tweets, which we're gonna talk about, and he deals with the children having different neurological disorders. And he conducts workshop on parenting in various schools, colleges and corporates. और एक नवरंग गरबा स्टार करके हमारा कॉन्टेस्ट था वहां पे एक स्पेशल वीडियो हम लोग ने डेडिकेट किया था सो ऑल द इनपुट वी गॉट इट फ्रॉम हिज स्कूल ओनली सो वेलकम डॉक्टर मिहिर पारेख टू माय शो एंड से
Well, thank you so much. Namaste, everyone. Thank you, Alpesh Raval, for inviting me
या
on the show. I would also like to thank your team, Navrang, who
या
is doing such a wonderful job and really happy to be a part of this initiative.
यस सो डॉक्टर मिहिर लाइक बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस मुझे आए हुए हैं बिकॉज आई हैड आस्क्ड टू माय स्टूडेंट्स एंड ऑल सो लेट्स क्विकली स्टार्ट ऑल द क्वेरीज सो दैट डिस्कशन becomes very seamless. So first
Let's
is
go
like
on.
everybody wanted to know like what is Urja Counseling and Remedial Center, so like tell me something about it.
Okay, as the name suggests, Urja is definitely energy, and that energy. So Urja is basically run by myself and my co-founder Pooja Parekh, who is my partner.
Yeah.
So we both run this with this intention where we need to energize and empower children with special needs and also their parents. क्योंकि आज हम देख रहे हैं कि everybody in the society has their own stand. लेकिन ऐसे कुछ बच्चे हैं जिनको रियली हमारी जरूरत है and they are still struggling for their stand. So I believe we've taken this initiative to empower those children. तो काउंसलिंग सेंटर के साथ साथ हम एक ऊर्जा स्पेशल स्कूल का इनिशिएटिव भी चलाते हैं जहां पर हम 3 साल से लेकर 24 साल के बच्चे को आत्मनिर्भर होना वेयर द चाइल्ड बिकम्स मोर इंडिपेंडेंट
Yeah.
उनकी स्कूलिंग चलाते हैं. दिस इज इन कांदिवली चारकोप सेक्टर नंबर 5.
Okay, amazing. So hope Tina, the answer is there. Urja is it near Kandivali Charkop. So we and Dr. Mihir, like as I had already promised to Pooja ma'am, once this lockdown is completely lifted up, so Navrang would like to conduct a special, Garba workshop to all your kids and everyone. So
Alpesh, we are waiting for you.
same feelings are mutual. So, like another question. One of my mentor asked, like, you counsel both kids and parents. So, how easy or difficult
Yes.
is it to counsel? Apart from being a patient listener, what all other things you should keep in mind while counseling them?
All right. Well, counseling a child and counseling a parent both are equally challenging.
Yeah,
I believe as you rightly said, like when you listen, half of the battle is won.
yeah,
Okay, so important. बहुत अच्छी चीज बोली कि you should listen well because we have 2 ears and only one mouth.
yeah,
Also, also I believe what is more important in our profession is empathizing. सामने वाला क्या situation से गुजर रहा है, not being judgmental about the
yeah,
person, the conditions, the background. तो ये सब चीजें आई थिंक और एंड एट द सेम टाइम कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी, कोई बहुत विश्वास के साथ आपके साथ अपने प्रॉब्लम शेयर करता है, एंड यू कैन नॉट मेक थिंग्स पब्लिक. सो आई बिलीव empathy, being non-judgmental, non-critical, these are some very important skills needed in counseling.
So I'm pretty sure like बच्चों करते तो पेरेंट्स का like काउंसलिंग काफी डिफिकल्ट होता रहेगा.
Honestly, yes.
Because
Okay, I will answer to this question nicely without offending any
yeah.
parent. क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल से we belong to a generation जहाँ पर सब लोगों के पास सिर्फ एक या दो बच्चे हैं. So parents nowadays बोलते हैं ना आंखों का दो तारा या आंखों का एक तारा. So definitely parents become very overprotective about speaking openly about the child's concern. तो हम जब पेरेंट्स को काउंसिल करते हैं तो काफी बार ऐसे होता है इट गोज years ऑल टुगेदर, तब जाकर पेरेंट्स वो एक्चुअली रियलिटी पे आता है कि ओ माय चाइल्ड डेफिनेटली हैज अ प्रॉब्लम. लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये प्रोसेस में ऐसा होता है कि हम बहुत सारा वैल्यूएबल टाइम गुमा देते हैं. सो यस, आई कंप्लीटली अग्री विथ यू कि काउंसलिंग इज रियली अ चैलेंज.
So of course, like we got your answer. Like counseling for parents is a little bit difficult compared to, because in Garba also, like हम जब Garba Academy है, so we always tell all the parents, बच्चे लोग खेलने आते हैं, so we tell them like आप prize के लिए मत खेलिए, just go for an enjoyment. So few of the parents are like, sir prize नहीं मिला है, second day पे नहीं मिला, and it pressurize, बच्चों को भी pressurize होता है ना. I've seen like all my kids are actually crying on the ground like sir prize nothing or to what to do, and then we tell them कि just play for Navratri, automatic prize automatic आ जाएगा. So yeah,
unfortunately the rat race is too high. I am actually waiting after the lockdown ये जानने के लिए कि बच्चों ने ऑनलाइन क्या सीखा.
Exactly. So that is online only. So continue to this question. These days, virtual classes are in thing nowadays, and it
Very
was
true.
a fun earlier. पहले तो बहुत अच्छा लगा बच्चों को कि like virtual class, मम्मी पापा everyone is giving the gadgets to you go for a Google or a Zoom calls. But what do you think? Is it a too much of burden for kids with classes held at such a odd time? Like, what is your take?
See, I may have a different take on this. एक IQ की best definition है, which I would just like to put it across very simply. Yeah. Adjusting well to your surroundings is IQ.
Okay.
Right? तो फिलहाल के माहौल में ये एक सिचुएशन की डिमांड है. I have come across so many parents ये प्रोसेस में जिन्होंने ऑनलाइन टीचिंग को लेकर बहुत सारा अपने कंसर्न्स एक्सप्रेस किए, सम क्रिटिसाइज्ड, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली दिस इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर. तो शायद मैं हर पेरेंट्स को ये रेकमेंड करूंगा कि वर्चुअल क्लासेस तो होने ही होंगे, लेकिन शायद एज पेरेंट्स वो लोग अपने बच्चों के एंटरटेनमेंट एप्स को थोड़ा अगर लिमिटेड रखें तो शायद उनके लिए ये उनके ब्रेन को, उनकी आईज को कम नुकसानदायक रहेगा. बिकॉज इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. It's not about the number of hours that you see on the screen. It's about what you see on the screen.
I agree. I completely agree.
So, सिर्फ इतना ये देखना चाहिए for all the schools कि syllabus या जो उनकी teaching methodology है वो इतनी friendly रहे कि it should not become too overwhelming for children.
I agree. So parents, if you are listening, I got like this is very informative. मैंने बोला था ना आज का सेशन तो तोड़ फोड़ है. So even as a parent, like because my son is like 5 years old, so even I can relate what you are trying to tell me. वो YouTube में they are watching only cartoons and all, and I tell my wife to go for a phonics and everything. So yeah, virtual classes are need of an hour, but you just make sure that what content they are watching and how many hours screen time is there. Perfect. But as a parent, Dr. Mir, this is my personal question. Nowadays, what happens, kids are demanding more than before. Like, पहले से ज़्यादा demand करते हैं. If parents agree to give them, then they are spoiled. They become spoiled. And if we don't give, then kids become stubborn. कि जो हमारा मम्मी पापा मैंने आप ही नहीं थे. They become very stubborn and all. They have that tendency to develop on their mind. कि मने प्रेमन नहीं करता, and they don't love me and all that. So, how to strike a right balance?
Well, I believe ये चीज शुरू होती है फ्रॉम अ वेरी यंग एज. ओके, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन बच्चे के बिहेवियर प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं आ जाएंगे, बिकॉज मेरे ख्याल से आप पेरेंट हो, मैं भी पेरेंट हूँ, और देखने वाले ऑडियंस काफी सारे पेरेंट्स है. तो आई ऑलवेज फील के बच्चे हमसे ज्यादा स्मार्ट होते हैं. सो एट द राइट टाइम, एट द राइट प्लेस, विद द राइट पर्सन, बच्चे वो पर्टिकुलर चीज की डिमांड करेंगे, और उस टाइम पर पेरेंट्स उस डिमांड को कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं वो बहुत डिटरमिन करता है बच्चे का लॉन्ग टर्म बिहेवियर. तो शायद अगर स्टार्टिंग के ही पीरियड्स में अगर पेरेंट्स आर वेरी फर्म, like you know, and I always feel that both the parents have to be on the same page. अगर एक ने हाँ बोल दिया और एक ने ना बोल दिया तो फिर ऐसा हो जाएगा कि अगर मम्मी ने ना बोल दिया तो मम्मी विलन हो गई और पापा हीरो हो गए.
I agree.
So balance maintain करने के लिए it is always important to start early, and if you have not started earlier, शायद I believe अगर ये प्रोग्राम अगर आपके लिए आई ओपनिंग है तो शायद ऐसा हो सकता है कि शुरुआत में जब आप ना प्रैक्टिस करने लगोगे, बच्चे को ना बोलना सीखोगे, तो ये बिहेवियर शायद डबल अप हो जाए. ओके क्योंकि बच्चा और आपको टेस्ट करेगा. बट इफ यू आर वेरी फर्म ऑन दिस, then gradually you have to prove your child that you are more powerful than him.
Yeah. So
these are long term lessons.
I agree. So guys, like as doctor rightly said, you have to be very firm about your decision. No means no, but ऐसा नहीं कि हर चीज में no है, but whatever you have to show that you are a superior to them. They are not the one who is going to decide. Excellent.
Because if they rule you, then the game is lost.
No, एकदम सच्ची बात है. So this is another question. One of my many of my students asked me. People are grappling with many things in this COVID-19. There are a few of people, not few, I can say more of like 70% of people are feeling very lonely, and it is hitting them very hard. They become it is leading to depression and all. So sir, if you can tell us like how to avoid and how to overcome their depressions, because this is a new thing.
Yes, in fact it's a sad state, unexpected stage. हम लोगों ने सोचा भी नहीं था एक हफ्ते पहले कि ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा in the month of March. In fact मैं कुछ important चीजें शेयर करना चाहूंगा which I want all of you to listen nicely. It is absolutely okay to feel sad, to feel low, to feel depressed on some days. Okay? लेकिन अगर ये पर्टिकुलर स्टेज एक हफ्ते से ज्यादा 2 हफ्ते तक कंटिन्यू हो रहा है, विच इज गिविंग यू सम सिग्नल्स वेयर यू आर आइदर अंडरगोइंग एंजाइटी मतलब नर्वसनेस या डिप्रेशन, तो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है अगेन एक अपना IQ टेस्ट करने के लिए कि लोनलीनेस अगर कोई भी फेस कर रहा है तो ये फ्यूचर की एक परमानेंट या जब तक वैक्सीन ना आए तब तक की एक सिचुएशन है. अल्पेश, आई रिमेम्बर आपके कुछ प्रायर इंटरव्यू में आपने बहुत अच्छा कुछ बोला था दैट अनफॉर्चुनेटली कोविड हैज टेकन अवे टच.
यस,
एक ह्यूमन स्पर्श जिसको बोलते हैं विच रिलीजेस अ लॉट ऑफ ऑक्सीटोसिन इन योर बॉडी. ओके, तो शायद अगर घर वाले एक दूसरे को हक करें, हस्बैंड वाइफ, मम्मी डैडी, चिल्ड्रन, पेरेंट्स, तो ये शायद ऑक्सीटोसिन अपने बॉडी से रिलीज होगा विच मेक्स यू मोर एट कंफर्ट. दूसरी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज ये लोनलीनेस के साथ रहना हमें सीखना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज इफ यू डोंट लर्न टू लिव विद दिस यू आर गोइंग टू फेस मोर ट्रबल, स्पेशली इन अ टाइम जहां पर हमारे पास पैसे नहीं होंगे और लोग प्रोफेशनल्स के पास सिर्फ ऐसी छोटी सी ट्रीटमेंट के लिए भागेंगे. और इम्पोर्टेंट चीज, वी ऑल आर सेलिंग इन द सेम बोट, तो शायद आपके और दूसरे के प्रॉब्लम शायद बहुत सारे ग्राउंड्स पर सिमिलर होंगे. तो टू बी अमोंग पीपल हु आर नॉन टॉक्सिक कैन रियली हेल्प यू. मेडिटेशन है, आपके जैसे ब्यूटीफुल गरबा क्लासेस है जहां पर नो येस्टरडे आई लव्ड योर सेशन. प्राइमरीली उसका एक रीजन ये था कि जब आप डांस करते हो, जब आप बॉडी मूवमेंट्स ग्रॉसली दिखाते हो, तब आपके बॉडी में हैप्पी हार्मोन रिलीज होता है एंड यू बिगन सो ब्यूटिफुली. जहां पर आपने बोला दैट जून इज अ स्माइल मंथ, आई बिलीव हम सब लोगों को ये स्माइल की जरूरत है पूरे जून मंथ में, कि शायद ये स्माइल से हम हैप्पी और फील करें. सो मेरे एंड स्लीप वेल, खैर आई डोंट प्रैक्टिस दिस, मैं रात को 2 बजे सोता हूँ, सुबह 10 बजे उठता हूँ, बट आई फील दैट अगर हम अपने रूटीन्स को ना बिगाड़े, अगर रात को 11 बजे सोकर सुबह 7-8 बजे उठे, एंड वन इम्पॉर्टेंट टेक अवे, इफ यू कैन हैव अ गुड सन बाथ इन द मॉर्निंग, एक्सरसाइज अ लिटिल बिट, दैट ऑटोमेटिकली किल्स अवे योर डिप्रेशन. एंड अगर आप नमक के पानी से अगर नहाते हो हफ्ते में एक बार, सी सॉल्ट दैट यू हैव टू पुट इन वाटर, फिर बॉडी पे नहा लो, मुंह और बाल नहीं, ओके, फिर सादे पानी और साबुन से अगर उसको धो लो, सो इट इज ऑल्सो प्रूवन के दीज कैन ऑल take away your negative energies. तो शायद ये कुछ simple सी चीजें, have chocolates, okay?
Yeah.
It's also one of the good mood boosters.
But थोड़ा सा,
So
एक ही टुकड़ा चॉकलेट खाना guys, वरना
and no. So Alpesh, I feel that there is something which is called as a new normal. तो let
Okay.
people feel के new normal में लोग मुझे मोटा देखेंगे, that is okay. Don't feel bad about it and don't what do you say, अपने आप को और mercy पे मत लाओ, अरे my god मैं इतना मोटा हो गया हूँ, tomorrow when I go to office what will my friends say. Learn to accept and love yourself. तो शायद ये one of the best reason होगा आप ये कोविड के डिप्रेशन से निकल जाओगे.
Great. So I can have my brownie now. Hope my dietitian is not
You
listening. She's gonna kill me else. So my last question to you is, what is life tweets all about? Because I have read it like
Okay.
on your Facebook page, and I think it's a book which is written by you. So if you can tell us.
With your permission, I have the book. The book looks like this.
Wow.
Okay, so if you see, the red color is despair and the yellow color is hope. So ये basically जो book है, which got released in the month of August, और ये book parents के लिए है कि जहाँ पर हम बच्चे के like ये parenting process इतना difficult है, even we being psychologists and doctors हम लोग काफी सारी इसमें mistake कर जाते हैं. So it's basically कुछ tips parents के लिए जो अपने बच्चे को help कर सके, उनके relationship बच्चों के साथ और improve हो सके. At the same time, I have added a tip of ancient wisdom जो हम भूल गए हैं, क्योंकि हम छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए डॉक्टर के पास भागते हैं, लेकिन वो सब चीजें अपने घर के बड़े लोगों के पास हैंडी होती है, which we have overlooked. तो Life Tweets 1 is already out और Life Tweets 2 is soon going to be out.
So doctor, if I want to purchase this, so where can I purchase? Like online?
The book is available. Yes, it's available on Amazon and Flipkart. So आप उसको ले सकते हो.
Is it available in Kindle also, like ebooks and all?
Yes, it is. It is.
Great.
And
great.
the book price is 180 rupees.
Great. So I'll definitely read this, and because I'm a voracious reader, so I would.
So
like
give
to
me a
read it.
feedback.
Of course, you'll get a big testimonial from me. So
Thank you.
Dr. Mihir, I want to start the rapid fire. This is my second segment. Thodu funny
Oh.
ase. So it was very deep talk and very
Too
informative.
technical.
Yeah, too technical. So let's go for a rapid fire round and let me know like little more, so that our viewers can have a good.
Shoot.
Kids are best teacher. Agree, and why? If agree.
I think yes, because शायद बचपन हम अपने बच्चे को जब देखते हैं तो I'll quickly finish it, okay? हम जब अपने बच्चे को देखते हैं तो बच्चे को हमने जो गलतियां की है या हमने जो चीजें नहीं की है, we try कि हम बच्चे को करेक्ट करें, तो शायद हम अपनी ही गलतियां सुधार रहे हैं.
Okay. तारे जमीन पर और स्टैनली का डब्बा.
Definitely तारे जमीन पर.
Would you rather work for 8 hours standing or 10 hours sitting?
क्वारंटीन ने बहुत सारा सिखा दिया, so definitely 10 hours and 8 hours and 18 hours of standing.
Standing. So see guys, standing is important, according to doctor. Yes. So counseling youth or counseling parents of youth?
Counseling parents of youth.
Discussed earlier, right? I was expecting this answer. Your
parents को ही counseling चाहिए, हम सबको. We all are parents.
Yes. We are the part of the game. Your greatest achievement till date?
Getting my doctorate.
Doctorate, yeah, of course, like.
So it's a journey from MR to DR.
Baapre. 2 things you would change about yourself. 2 things.
Oh my God. I think becoming more techno savvy, which I'm very poor, and meeting more people and talking to more people, which I am very bad at.
Okay, I'm good at it. Huh?
Looks like.
What will you tell to Pradhan Mantri Modi ji if you ever meet?
नमस्ते मोदी जी, हमारे स्पेशल बच्चों के लिए प्लीज कुछ करो.
ग्रेट. मोदी जी, आपकी बात अगर उनके तक पहुंचे तो अच्छी बात है.
I think he's got such a big revolution, बहुत changes लाए with regards to the पर्दा system, with regards to आई थिंक द होमोसेक्सुअलिटी. सो आई एम
Yeah,
श्योर ये सब चीजों को लेकर भी बहुत सारे रिफॉर्मेशंस आएंगे अंडर हिज गाइडेंस.
I agree. I agree. I expect. So, if not psychologist, then what profession?
शेफ.
Chef. Oh, हमारा last week है हमारा यहाँ भी नहीं गया. This gupshup. Yeah,
So Alpesh, you are invited.
yeah, of course. What do you make for us?
Rajma chawal.
Good, good. It's healthy. So, funniest incident, if you remember, while counseling.
Um, I think one of my patient holding my hand and telling me, "I love you, doctor."
Seriously? Like genuinely?
Yes, it was true. In the initial years of my practice, and I was zapped. I don't know how to react.
Yeah, patient che, counseling che, you don't know what all going on in her head, you know?
Exactly.
Yeah. And my
So
last
therefore,
episode,
I stopped. So therefore, I stopped adult counseling. I thought children are more safe.
है ना? One thing you'll miss after, once this lockdown is lifted.
Wearing shorts and taking lectures.
Good, now nobody can see only. ऊपर Great, great. So this is my rapid fire and ends. My last segment is Gupshup Challenge. And your Facebook page, I have seen every Friday, maybe, na? Friday or Thursday, you come live and give the small storytelling session is there.
Saturday.
So yeah, Saturday. So if you can, right now tell one small story to all my viewers, which can, this is the good parting stroke.
Okay, sure. I'll quickly finish it up.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is for all the viewers, especially जो हम लोग एक टाइम को बैटल कर रहे हैं. So there is this girl जिसका एक पेट होता है and the pet बहुत अजीब होता है and the pet is python, अजगर. Okay, so कुछ दिनों से अजगर ने खाना छोड़ दिया होता है and this girl is very much upset why my pet is not eating something. तो बहुत कोशिश करती है, उसको चूहे देती है and what all things she gives, but the ajgar doesn't eat anything. So one fine day she thinks of going to a veterinarian to ask that, क्या प्रॉब्लम है मेरे पेट को. So जब वो वेटेरिनरियन के पास जाती है तो वेटेरिनरियन उसको बहुत ही अजीब सवाल पूछता है, जैसे कि वो क्या आपके साथ रात को सोता है, कैसे सोता है, एंड शी इज लाइक कि ये कैसे सवाल है मुझे. फिर वेटेरिनरियन उसको बोलता है कि क्या वो आपको लपेट कर सोता है, कितने दिन से खाना नहीं खाया है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. तो वो बोलती है कि हाँ मुझे लपेट कर सोता है लेकिन बहुत सारे स्ट्रेच करता है अपने आप को, तो मुझे बहुत ये डर लगता है कि बेचारे ने खाना नहीं खाया होगा, इसके लिए वो डिस्कम्फर्ट में होगा. एंड द वेटेरिनरियन सेज दैट एट द राइट टाइम यू हैव कम टू मी. मैं इसमें और ऐड कर सकता था बट आई बिलीव टाइम इज अ कंस्ट्रेंट. तो
you can add on if you want to.
ओके, सो वेटेरिनरियन सेज कि बहुत आप राइट टाइम पर मेरे पास आए हो, बिकॉज ये जो पाइथन है, अजगर है, वो आपको लाइक उसका नेक्स्ट शिकार आप हो. तो ये लड़की बहुत डर जाती है और वो बोलती है कैसे. तो वो कहता है कि वो रोज रात को जब आपको लपेट कर सोता है, मतलब वो आपकी साइज को नाप रहा है, दैट हाउ इजीली यू वुड बी टू गल्प हर, गल्प यू. एट द सेम टाइम वो जब ऐसे स्ट्रेचेस कर रहा है तब वो अपने बॉडी को इतना स्ट्रेच कर रहा है कि आपका बॉडी क्या उसके मुंह के अंदर जाएगा कि नहीं. राइट. सो दिस गर्ल इज वेरी मच अपसेट एंड एस्टोनिश्ड कि हाउ कम जो पेट पर मैंने इतना विश्वास किया तो वो आज मुझे खाने पर है. So and she then releases the pet in the forest. So one of the morals here जो मैं सब ऑडियंस को ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो लॉकडाउन है उसने हमें आज एक ऐसी सिचुएशन पर ला दिया है जहाँ पर हम जब लॉकडाउन के बाद बाहर निकलेंगे तो एक्चुअल डिप्रेशन, एक्चुअल फाइनेंशियल कंस्ट्रेंट्स और एक्चुअल फाइनेंशियल लॉकडाउन तो अभी आना बाकी है. जब लोग आप बाहर जाओगे और लोग बोलेंगे मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, हमें लोग बहुत जल्दी कॉन्फिडेंस में लेंगे, तो जिसके कारण हम लोगों पर जल्दी विश्वास ना करें और हम बहुत ही सेफली निकल जाए कि हमारी लाइफ में ऐसे अजगर हमें खा ना जाए. सो दिस इज वन मैसेज जो मैं सब व्यूवर्स को बोलना चाहूंगा.
Excellent, doctor. Excellent. Such a nice morale,
Thank you.
I got goosebumps after listening to this, Great, but it's a good morale. And thank you, Dr. Mihir, for joining us. And
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure. Same here, same here. Thank you so much and thank you, audience.
Yeah. Thank you, Pooja ma'am, also for, giving me an opportunity and, I got connection from you. So thank you so much.
Most welcome on her behalf. Thanks. Thank you so much. Bye, Alpesh.
Bye.
Bye.
So guys, our first speaker is done, and I hope you are enjoying. कैसा था ये first वाला session? Please, 3 cheers for Dr. Mihir and Pooja ma'am. बहुत ही informative था, मेरे लिए भी काफी नई नई चीजें थी सीखने के लिए. So let me know in comment like कैसा है, and let me drink water. मुझे बहुत प्यास लग रही है. So our guest, Parveen, if you are around, just send me hi. So let me give you introduction about my second guest. And this is really an inspiration. She's a good friend of mine. We have a Pahadi gang group where we every year post Navratri Dashera ke next day we go for a Pahad. Sare Baraf ke all we travel. My friend Veronica Malhotra is also over here. We all are friends. Kosha is also there. So yes, she's a full timer. Parveen Sheikh, the next guest. She's a full timer at IT industry, and art is her hobby, while traveling is her passion. She has been painting, creating art since her school days. She specializes in acrylic and water, mediums. But the big thing would like to tell you is 3 years back in 2016, she was diagnosed with her positive grade 3 breast cancer. And she had her own share of ups and downs, and now she's cancer free. And we, like me and my friends who are very close to her, we have seen her journey, how she came out of, and she's truly a fighter. So like she fought through these circumstances, and by sharing her passion, and now she is fitness freak, she is an artist, and she is completing her work. So without further ado, let me connect to her, and let's know much more about Parveen Sheikh and how inspiring story of her is. So let me add. She's really a fighter, guys. So please thumbs up for her. सब लोग कमेंट में उसे शेयर कीजिए. I'm connecting her. Let's wait for her connection. Hi, Parveen.
Hi. I hope you can see me and I'm audible.
Partial head is visible, so if you're, please go.
It's okay, right? Anyways, I have a lot of hair. So that's fine, I guess.
Yeah, you have a lot of hair now. Okay. So Parveen, कैसा है quarantine? कैसे चल रहा है? Exercise and all that. You are like, all the viewers are very expecting कि भाई ये fighter कौन है, आपकी friend and all, and they know you. Garba Star के time पे you were the judge, so they are aware of you and that unity and division वाला thingy also. So yes. So Parveen, like quarantine कैसा चल रहा है? अभी तो सब work from home रहेगा, IT sector है तो.
It's a new normal. I'm used to it. My day starts with like yoga and then breakfast है, then काम तो चलते ही रहता है.
So Dr. Mihir Parekh का session कैसा लगा इसके पहले वाला?
Oh, it was amazing. It was very good. Yeah, I studied psychology, so I could relate to some of it. It was a good session and very informative. Yes.
So, Parveen, like my first question, obviously, like you are a fighter, survivor who has defeated, the most deadly illness. जिसका नाम सुन के तो मुझे goosebump आ जाता है. So, while I'm sure, like it must be painful, मुझे तो पता है because we were together at that time, that phase of your life. But for my viewers, tell us your journey after your cancer treatment, during your cancer thing, and how difficult or how it was easy to lead to normal life, which you are living right now again.
Okay, well, thank you so much, Alpu, first of all, for inviting me here and giving me the opportunity to talk in front of so many people, live, that too. Alpu, cancer word itself scares people. It scared me also, it scares you also, it scares everyone. As a kid, I used to think that cancer is सिर्फ अमीर लोगों को होता है. I don't know why. Maybe because we have never heard about it. हमारी family में कभी किसी को cancer था नहीं. We didn't have any history. So it was tough when I heard it for the first time, and I did survive the battle against it, and now I'm here talking about it. So I will divide us in 3 phases. First, I'll talk about how I was being diagnosed and what protocols were being set for me and how I'm living my life right now. I hope I won't take much of your time. So remember, Alpu, we had gone to Dharamshala, McLeodganj in the year 2016, October, and that was our first trip. Yes, we were so excited about it. Yeah, that's coming back from Dharamshala, I discovered a small lump in the left side of my breast. It was not exactly the breast, but it's the outer line of the breast, somewhere below the shoulder, like below the
Yeah.
collarbone.
Yeah.
So I could feel it. It was a little hard and cheese ball के size का था. But मैंने उसको seriously नहीं लिया. I thought it was some, you know, हम बाहर गए थे, trip पर गए थे, and maybe because of some side reactions or something happened, must have happened. But then I thought of going and seeing the doctor, but क्या हो गया, मेरा दुबई trip planned था, and you know how I am.
Yeah, you planned like
So-
8 months before your trips.
Yes, so it was already planned with Veronica and my sister. So मैंने सोचा कि I don't want to ruin this trip. First, let me go and enjoy there and then come back and show. That is the mistake which I did. But then बोला ठीक है चलो जाकर आते हैं फिर देखा जाएगा. So I went for the trip and came back and showed it to the doctor. My local doctor, the family doctor है, she saw it and she said इतना suspicious तो नहीं because you have no pain and there is no other side symptoms also. Like you know कुछ symptoms होते हैं जैसे redness of the breast होता है, breast थोड़ा जो nipple होते हैं वो numbs हो जाते हैं, leakage होता है, सबको अलग अलग symptoms होते हैं of course. तो मुझे इनमें से कुछ भी नहीं था. I just had a lump, that's all.
Yeah, yeah.
तो फिर then I went to she suggested me I should get a sonography done. So I said okay fine, let me go with and then tested. मैं गई Saifi hospital में I met my namesake doctor Parveen Khan.
Yeah.
So she was she was on duty doctor. She saw me, she saw the lump and she gave me that, you know, very empathetic look. That itself scared me. She was like Parveen, this doesn't look good. I think we should go with biopsy.
Okay.
अब मुझे तो I'm frankly telling you, Alpa, I didn't know what biopsy was. मुझे तो ये भी नहीं पता था. I said, okay, fine, we'll get it done. So within 2 days, I was there doing my biopsy, and then 2 दिन बाद मेरा report आया, and there it was. I was being diagnosed with HER2 positive grade 3 carcinoma. Can you believe that? I mean, I didn't even know what it was. Yeah, it is shocking. So the first thing I did is Google, like we all do.
Yeah.
I saw Google, I didn't know what carcinoma was, you know.
Yeah.
How dumb I can be, or we all.
No, anyone,
like
even I don't know. This is
yeah.
the first time I'm hearing because we don't know. We
Yes.
don't have the medical vocabulary. So, yeah.
Yeah, so I didn't know about it. So I Googled it and she said that it's a kind of a breast cancer, which is like an aggressive cancer compared to other types of cancer. It's basically, I'll just tell you about HER2 positive, what it is. I'm not an expert here, but whatever I have learned from my doctors or whatever they have said to me, I'll just repeat it. It's a, to simplify it, HER2 is a protein which is there in everybody. It is there in the cells. But sometimes it grows a little faster. उसका जो growth है वो normal size से जब बड़ा हो जाता है, then it becomes a tumor growth. So that's how it is. So in a layman's language, okay, it's not. I'm not a doctor here. Yeah. And it is an aggressive one. It is an aggressive one because it spreads rapidly. So हाँ, तो ये हो गया. Then I said अब क्या करें? Then there are so many suggestions. ये doctor को मिलो, this doctor, that doctor. I said no, I'll go to Tata's because Tata's is a very reputed hospital and it is dedicated only to cancer patients. So I went there. I met the head of the department there. Luckily, my friend knew him, so he had arranged an appointment with him. So I met him. He said, Parveen, you'll have to get the surgery done ASAP because it is spreading and it is spreading aggressively to my lymph nodes. I said, okay, fine. Within 10 days, my surgery date was being set. I got my the lump removed along with 32 lymph nodes, Alpu. Jab initially वो diagnosed हुआ था, it was just 2 lymph nodes which were affected. Within a month, it spread it to 32 lymph nodes. So that is how aggressive
very
it was.
Very aggressive.
Yeah. It was, when I mean, अभी भी सोचे तो डर लग जाता है कि अगर मैंने right time पे उसको treat नहीं किया होता, so what would have happened? So, then after the surgery, protocol was being set. They said I'll have to take 4 cycles of fortnightly chemo and 12 weekly chemos. So the fortnightly chemos were like once in 15 days jo tha, that was the most toxic one. There is a drug called Taxol. I mean, I still fear that drug. वो red in color का होता था, ऐसा लगता था ये बस मेरी जान ही ले लेगा. It was that bad. It had such bad side
Burns, no?
effects. It used to burn my body, literally burning sensation feel होता था मुझे अल्पू. I'm telling you, I used to roll on the floor because floor ठंडा
You
होता है
used
ना,
to
तो
tell
मैं
us.
literally ऐसे roll करती थी,
Yeah.
you know, कि it still gives me goosebumps जब मैं वो दिन याद करती हूँ ना. मैं आफ्टर कीमो मैं 3 दिन तक खाना नहीं खाती थी बिकॉज उसके साइड इफेक्ट्स होते थे, मुझे नॉजिया होता था. आई यूज्ड टू व्हाटएवर आई यूज्ड टू ईट और ड्रिंक, आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट थ्रो अप कंटिन्यूअसली लाइक फॉर 3 days नॉन स्टॉप. हेडेक तो था ही, आई वाज इरिटेटेड विद थोड़ी सी भी आवाज से आई यूज्ड टू गेट इरिटेटेड. सो दिस वाज माय दिस वाज 2 months. फोर्टनाइटली साइकिल्स जो 4 थे ये था. Then came the weekly cycles. Weekly cycles were a little different because the Taxol was out and there comes another drug which makes you put on weight and your muscles become weak. Weak means very weak. मैं literally मैं 100 meters भी नहीं चल पाती थी, इतना ज्यादा मुझे पेन होता था. मेरे मैं खड़े नहीं रह पाती थी. It was that painful. So yeah, this was done. ये हो गया and then came the radiations. मतलब एक के बाद एक चीजें होती गई. Radiations were again, मैंने जब देखा it was just like a normal MRI session, you know, where you under वो मशीन होती है, claustrophobic होता है उसमें बहुत, एक और ऐसी गोल मशीन होती है, उसके अंदर आप जाते हो. It felt normal to me, but then धीरे धीरे day after day I started feeling it. Radiations is nothing but it just a targeted treatment. It burns your skin. Literally burn करता है skin को. My skin had become this full area around the neck and the breast and side had become black. It started peeling off. जैसे जलने के बाद होता है ना, literally peel off हो रहा है. It is smelling yuck and it's burning.
I can't even tell you that I can feel it because I cannot feel
and you have seen me in that condition, Alpu. No hair, no eyebrows, no lashes. You have seen me in that state. So,
I've seen Veronica and your mummy, Ammi ji, like बहुत अच्छे से support किया. I remember like they also shared.
Oh, support के बारे में I was going to come back. I'll support, but I'll talk about it right now because you brought it up. I had immense support from everybody. I can't complain of. मेरे पास एक भी जन नहीं है कंप्लेन करने के लिए. There's nobody who tried to pull me down or who has treated me bad. Right from my family, my friends, you, Veronica. Veronica is the one who shaved her head for me because she wanted to make me feel comfortable at work. So जिस दिन वो मैं शेव करने गई थी अपना hair, I came back home and there she was, already shaved her head. You know, my mom was there to support me. So this is the kind of support which I have received. I had friends who had deposited money to my account without even me knowing. You know, they thought कि पता नहीं कैसे करेगी क्या. It's an expensive illness to have. So there were friends who supported me financially also, and more important, I don't know, my boss is there on Instagram or know if he watches me this or not, but then he is the best boss I have ever worked with. From day one till today, he takes great care of me. You know, if I say that, I'm not feeling well, he'll say, okay, fine, take a day off. You don't have to worry. काम तो चलता रहता है. So that kind of support I've got from people, like you said.
Good, yeah. But see, now you're back to normal life and like हम लोग और travel करें. It's been like 4 years and we're enjoying.
Yeah,
so अंत वाला तो सब वाला, क्या बोलते हो परवीन? You are a true fighter, यार.
Thank you, Alpu.
That is why I wanted you to join my Gupshup show. I really wanted. Guys, if I'll tell you, just 2 days back she was like, अभी भी वो injection medication कुछ चालू है. So just 2 days back she PM'd me कि Alpu, I cannot make it because मेरा mood swings चल रहा है and I'm not feeling well and all. I was like, Parveen, you have to be here. Otherwise you will be more depressed. So अभी भी उसको है side effects, ऐसा नहीं है. After
I do
4
have,
years also. But
yes. Alpu, the more you pay attention to it, the more it haunts you, like you said, मुझे अभी भी panic attacks होते हैं, anxiety होती है, hot flashes होते हैं. There are times when I can't think straight. Mental fogginess जैसा हो जाता. I keep forgetting things, And suppose if I'm telling this to everybody, if I don't text you back or if I don't call you back, please. Sometimes I really forget. Genuinely, I forget things. And ये है इसके side effects है, but I have learned to live with it. ये मेरा new normal हो गया है अब. And people around me are also supportive.
Yeah, you know, you started living in that way rather than cribbing about the situation. वो होता ही नहीं था. तो guys, everyone, you should learn from this कि जो situation वो accept करके चलो तो दुख दुख कम होगा और काफी अच्छे ways निकलेगा,
हाँ,
वरना
because
तो
ये नॉर्मल तो बोल ही नहीं सकती, because I'm not normal. I frankly speaking, you have seen me. मैं कितने
yeah,
मोटी हूँ. While traveling also, you must have seen कि मुझे कभी-कभी anxiety attacks आ जाते हैं, panic attacks आ जाते हैं.
sometimes
I'm
you
like
are
sitting at
up,
the,
sometimes you
yeah,
are
sometimes
down.
I'm low. Yeah.
Yeah.
Energy level तो बहुत कूट के है, but still at times I feel very low.
But it's okay.
Yeah.
We are there. Me, Veronica, Kosha, we all are there for you. Your Simmi, everyone. So yeah, happy.
Thank you
So
so much
just
for that.
you know,
Yeah.
बहुत heavy discussion हो गया था. मेरी आंखों से आंसू
हाँ
ही आने
प्लीज,
लगे
आई नो, मैं
वापस.
खुद भी ऐसे हो गया था कि बाय गॉड, आई वाज रीलिविंग
रुलाने के
दोस
लिए नहीं
डेज.
मिला है.
नहीं
I
नहीं
have not
प्लीज.
called you to cry, and you know, I'm reading comments also. People are supporting you. People all are saying you're a brave and all.
थैंक
So
यू
my
सो मच.
second question, you know, I believe like you are a avid travel hippie go lucky me. मुझे पता है बहुत सारे travel bloggers and she's a travel blogger, guys. So you know, so after your cancer treatment, you went to where, Ajmer, right? First, where you went? Ajmer or Pushkar?
नहीं, मैं जयपुर गई थी. जयपुर,
Jaipur.
अजमेर, पुष्कर, ऑल थ्री टुगेदर. या या.
So what is the importance of traveling, you know, in your life, and how do you look that perspective?
See, Alpu, the one thing that cancer has taught me is to stop, not, that stop being so busy.
Yeah.
Living life to the fullest is what defines me and inspired me to go after
Hmm.
something that I was always wanted to do. That is travel. Traveling
Yeah.
is my passion, like you said.
Yeah.
Travel bug had hit me quite young, when I was young. I mean, मुझे ऐसा था कि अरे बहुत टाइम बचा है करने के लिए ट्रैवल, कल जाएंगे करेंगे. But then Alpu,
Yeah.
I've learned that life is too short to have this someday
Yeah.
mentality. जो करना है आज ही है. Even the lockdown period is showing it to
Yes.
us. You will agree to
So
it, right?
Parveen,
कि
I agree, I agree. So Parveen, like कौन सी 5 चीजें हैं traveling के लिए, you know, my viewers should keep in mind before planning a travel.
Okay, so I won't keep it to the basics like, एक महीने पहले
Hmm.
booking करना है, medical kit, blah, blah, all those things. I would say, you said 5 things to keep in mind while traveling, right? So I'll say planning is important. Planning, थोड़ी बहुत planning is very important while you're traveling, because otherwise you'll be sitting in the hotel room and checking, अरे अब क्या करना है, day 1 पे क्या करना है, day 2 पे क्या करना है. There is, we are wasting our time because हमारे पास limited leave होती है. We are 9 to 6 वाले लोग होते हैं. हमें पास limited छुट्टी होती है, so you should utilize that time. Then second is step out of your comfort zone. This doesn't mean you have to do some crazy things like get drunk and go out and do crazy stuff. I mean, like local cuisine try kar lo, whatever you feel like doing. Go attend a show or something, ऐसा सब कुछ कर सकते हो. Then be flexible and spontaneous. Like आप travel कर रहे हो, कुछ चीजें आपके हिसाब से नहीं होती हैं. So there you can have a plan B for yourself. So you be flexible to do something else. And be safe. Because I solo travel a lot. I book hostels, Airbnb. You have traveled with me, so I always check, where am I staying, location around my hotel or wherever I'm staying. ये सब चीजें ध्यान में रखनी होती हैं. And then lastly, I would say explore on food. That is the best thing.
है ना? फूडगज़म तो हमारे पास कूट के भरा है.
हाँ, उसके लिए अच्छे शूज होना बहुत जरूरी है. I remember one incident when I was in New York and I had walked around 10 kilometers in heels. So that is the day I said, I regretted that. I said, मैं जिंदगी में कभी दोबारा ये नहीं करूँगी. Shoes तो जरूरी है. And last not the least, I'll say it's a holiday. Relax. Roadies का task नहीं है ये. Just breathe in, breathe out, enjoy.
सही बात है.
Yeah, so I think that's all. Yeah.
Yeah. So another, I don't walk this day.
Yeah.
I know. So the people because ये जो say medical situation है तुम्हारा and all. So what precautions do you take while traveling? Because does one's immune system play a vital role for during the travel days? And what do you do to build your own immunity?
See, Alpu, restrictions तो है. I'll tell you one incident. This was 31st December, I think 2017. मेरा appointment था डॉक्टर के साथ and just 2 days, after 2 days, it's my birthday, right? So, मैं, Veronica and Rupal were there together, and we wanted to party, of course. Surgery से पहले ही है. So,
Yeah.
Rupal and Veronica, I was little hesitate to talk to the doctor. She's a senior doctor. So, Rupal ने doctor से पूछा कि it's her birthday, so can she, drink, have a glass of wine? So, doctor ने कहा drink, but don't get drunk. So, here's the message.
Yeah.
Anything in moderation is good. कुछ भी you don't have to क्या बोलते हैं, restrict yourself.
Yeah, yeah.
Take precautions, ensure you're eating right, balancing it well. And immunity के लिए I have this काढ़ा every morning. Variations होते हैं, जो मम्मी जो काढ़ा बोलते हैं ना, मम्मी लोग करती है, आंवला, हल्दी, जिंजर, तुलसी, पुदीना, वो सब उसका काढ़ा चलता है. सो इम्यूनिटी के लिए मेरे लिए सबसे बेस्ट वही है. Then there is च्यवनप्राश. Yes, yes.
च्यवनप्राश नहीं, च्यवनप्राश.
Sorry,
another word.
Okay, च्यवनप्राश. And I do yoga also. I have, मैंने वो चक्रासन पूरा एक्सपर्टाइज कर लिया उसमें.
Yeah. Parveen, we'll
yes.
I'll just disconnect because 1 घंटा हो गया है तो मेरे ऊपर time.
Oh, okay, sure. Yeah.
So what I'll do, guys, everyone, just wait for 1 minute. I'll disconnect this and I'll be back. तब तक आप लोग पानी पी लो. And we'll take it ahead, Parveen. I promise.
Yes.
Bye.
Sure. Hi.
Utterly butterly delicious break लिया था हमने.
Yes. I can't wait this to get over, Alpu. I want to dance with you.
I'm waiting for हमारा Friday night party ना, every disco.
I know, yeah. Seriously, I just can't. Yeah. बस एक बार खत्म हो जाए फिर.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, we'll dance for continuously 12 hours, I think.
Sure. So Parveen, just coming back to that flow, immunity के लिए तो you are doing काढ़ा and all, but like, does immunity play a large role while traveling?
Yes, it does. See, your body sends you signals, Alpu. आपको पता होता है कि अगर आपके बॉडी में शुगर कम है तो you feel dizzy, ये सब चीजें होती हैं, right? So, I don't have any restrictions as such. I just have to avoid a little bit of sugar and saturated fats. So I take care of that. And immunity के लिए ही I have these tablets which doctor has suggested me. So while traveling and all, I carry those with me. So precautions तो मैं लेती ही हूँ. You know that.
Yeah.
So it is important to know. Yeah.
So Parveen, you are a travel blogger. तुम्हारे इतने अच्छे followers बढ़ रहे हैं आजकल, मैं देख रहा हूँ, touch wood, and खुद की मेहनत से. So like being a travel blogger, many viewers are there who they travel and all. मैंने देखा लोग खाली, as Tina has mentioned in the comment also, लोग खाली photos खींचते रहते. They don't live it, because I remember traveling with you. You used to tell me, Alpu, sometimes you have to experience those things. This cannot be captured through lenses of the camera. So like give 3 tips to our all the viewers who are travel bloggers and who wants to travel, so to write their experience once they come from the travel and they post it on Instagrams and other social platforms. So what are the 3 tips would you like to give to them?
पहली बात तो, when you are on a trip, please enjoy everything, enjoy the moment. Clicking pictures and everything, it's fine, but enjoy भी करो उस चीज को. And so once you come back and you want to blog about it, then I would say there's a formula called as KISS. Keep it short and simple. लंबा किसी ऐसे पढ़ने को किसी को शौक नहीं है.
I have seen like people
भी नहीं है. Even in lockdown, people wouldn't prefer reading such long blogs. And
Hi,
I say go with the flow.
Shruti is there. Our Guwahati friend Shruti is there.
Hi, Shruti. Yeah.
So continue.
So go with the flow, live the moment, use right adjectives. यार अपनी दिल की बातें बोल दो. Blogging is all about talking to yourself.
Yes.
And then good quality pictures and videos तो हैं ही, because जो दिखता है वो बिकता है.
Yes.
तो वो तो है. Yeah.
So
these are, हाँ.
So I've seen like so many paintings I've seen, मेरे घर पे भी लगाई हुई है and all that. So do you make it by yourself या फिर तुम कहीं से भेजती हो मुझे खरीद के, like for my viewers knowledge? मुझे तो
Come on, Alpu. I've not learned painting. मैं स्कूल डेज से पेंटिंग कर रही हूँ. मेरे सर थे, आर्ट सर, पथारकर सर, वो बड़े स्ट्रिक्ट थे. मतलब बड़े कंजूसी से मार्क्स देते थे. So I've been painting since long. I don't expertise in it. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, self learning जो होते हैं, tutorials जो होती हैं, उसी से मैंने सीखा है. I do more of canvas paintings than water paintings, watercolor paintings. Yeah, I'm self-taught. I have not done any. I've taken any professional course. उसके अलावा भी I do a lot of craft like quilling है, suspenso है, decoupage है, glass painting. I painted 1,000 bottles last year.
Yeah.
And you know, yeah, that was a big like yeah.
Which I have not received yet. तो मुझे एक चाहिए उसमें से.
अरे यार लॉकडाउन में I'm not getting bottles. well, दारू नहीं मिल रही है. Sorry, bottles कहाँ से आएंगी? Yeah. Yeah.
So, Varun, my last question to you.
Yes.
My last question to you, like, how's your association with Navrang? Because guys, Power Garba Fitness में वो भी आती है. So, like, how's your experience?
Oh, you know how much I love colors. And Navrang is all about colors. It's such a colorful group, colorful people, lively people, passionate people. I have never seen anywhere else. I have attended your Power Garba classes, and it's crazy the way you dance. मतलब अल्पू दिल से आता है वो. आई थिंक अंदर से माता जी तुम्हारे अंदर आती है. आई थिंक लिटरली which I love seeing you dancing, and it's amazing to see you grow. I mean, I've seen you grow since like जब आपने पहली बार किया था तब से लेकर अब तक you have grown tremendously. So it's great to see you.
Siddesh also supports. You have seen like how he is supporting.
Oh yes,
like,
you both of you. Yeah. And about your students also, you've got great students. Very supportive.
Touch wood.
Touch wood, wherever the wood is.
So बहुत deep talk हो गया, बहुत heavy था आज मेरे लिए भी ये session. तो अभी rapid fire चालू करते हैं, ठीक है?
मेरा हेल्पर क्या है? What do I get?
Clubbing to beep 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 Republic.
Yeda Republic. No beep. Yes.
So rapid fire के लिए जो कि तैयार है फटाक से, ठीक है? Survivor or fighter? What describes you best?
Fighter. I'm a born fighter.
Mountains or beaches? Mountains or beaches?
Mountains.
Beaches or beaches?
Any day.
Okay. Dream destination and why?
Norway. I want to see the Northern Lights. My favorite. And expensive too.
You talk about glass painting. So glass painting or a canvas one?
Canvas. Any day. Any day. Yes.
Dance on Gandhi Baat or Hips Don't Lie?
Gandhi Baat. Gandhi Baat. Bollywood, please. I'm a big Bollywood buff.
This is my favorite question and you have to answer very truthfully. वरना तेरी और मेरी friendship गई. Holi in Pushkar or Garba in Gujarat?
Easy है. Alpu, Holi in Pushkar was just done 2 months back. So Garba in Gujarat.
What is the adventure you want to do to satisfy your other line?
Oh, scuba diving.
Scuba diving.
I want to do that. Yes. I want to do that.
What's your biggest addiction apart from painting, dancing, traveling, and blogging?
We have covered everything. Okay.
Apart
Real
from
friends?
that, real friends?
Friendship? Yeah. I adore them. I adore you.
Thank you. If you given a chance to give away best painting, whom would you give it and why?
Easy. My boss, Saurabh.
Yeah, you told us.
He's my favorite person. Yeah.
What's the one thing you fear while on traveling?
Slopes. I have slopes का phobia. It may sound weird, but I do have. जितना time चढ़ने में नहीं लगता, उससे double time उतरने में लगता है. So.
I know. उतरना ज़्यादा difficult है चढ़ने से.
मुझे phobia है भाई उसका. Seriously.
So the last segment is Gupshup Challenge, Navram Gupshup Challenge. So my challenge to you is, can you get one pen and paper or pen or a pencil or paper? पहले वो लेके आ फिर.
Okay, you'll just have to give me a second. Yeah. Just a second. Yeah.
कैसा चल रहा है, कैसा लग रहा है तुम लोग को आज का तो? एंड लेट मी टेल यू, ये जितना भी
Yes.
क्वेश्चंस है, जो भी मैं कंटेंट बनाता हूँ, सो आई हैव टू गिव क्रेडिट टू माय एडिटर सारिका गर्ल, जो हमारे फर्स्ट एपिसोड में आई थी. शी हेल्प्स मी अ लॉट टू फ्रेम ऑल द क्वेश्चंस, रैपिड फायर्स एंड ऑल. मेरा सारा प्रूफ रीडिंग करके देती है मुझे एंड ऑल. सो थैंक यू सारिका फॉर बीइंग देयर. एंड परवीन, यू आर रेडी?
Yes, मेरे पास पेन है, पेपर है. What do you want me to
सो
do?
परवीन, मैंने आर्ट वर्क देखा है तेरा, तो मुझे पता है ये तू कर लेगी. सो यहाँ व्यूवर्स में से किसी का भी नाम तुम चूज कर सकते हो. आई थिंक लेट्स गो फॉर यू सिलेक्ट. मैं तुझे, श्रुति का नाम है, सारिका गर्ल है, सिद्धेश है, अनिश है, तो किसी का भी नाम लेके गणपति बापा बना के दिखा.
Oh yeah, Akshar Ganesha. I told
या
you once,
अक्षर
I think.
गणेश. यस. सो
Very good.
इफ यू कैन
Okay.
मेक इट
Uh,
सिलेक्ट, तुझे
Sarika?
जो व्यूवर सिलेक्ट. सारिका गर्ल
I like
ना.
Sarika. Yes.
एक श्रुति के लिए भी कर लेना फिर.
Okay. ठीक है. Just give me
Yeah,
one
yeah,
minute.
yeah.
Let me think.
If you,
Sarika
if you
में
can put,
yes.
if you can put your camera while drawing, like अगर कोई
Okay.
कैमरा ऊपर रख सकता है, so that my
हाँ भाई,
viewers
इधर
can
कुछ
see.
नहीं है. Yeah, okay.
सिमरन है बाजू में.
नहीं है सिमरन यार.
तो तू शिफ्ट हो जा, वो बुक तेरे सामने रख कर लिया.
पहले तो मैं सारिका की स्पेलिंग.
सारिका ना SARIKA.
हिंदी. अक्षर गणेशा है ये.
सा.
I hope it's like this. Sarika. छोटा
हाँ,
D and Ka, right? Okay.
बराबर.
I'll use a different. Sarika. Okay.
कहाँ जा रही है फॉलो में?
Can you see it?
या वी कैन सी.
दिख रहा है ना? हाँ.
थोड़ी और बाहर चली जा. तू दिखनी नहीं चाहिए, तेरा बुक दिखना चाहिए.
अच्छा, सिर्फ बुक दिखना चाहिए. ओके, तो मैं ऐसे आती हूँ, ऐसे.
हाँ,
अब दिख रहा है ना? क्लियर?
परफेक्ट.
So Alpu, this is Sarika.
सही है.
Sarika.
सही.
I hope this
सही.
is nice.
Wow, very nice. So guys, cheers to परवीन, बहुत अच्छा बना है. और ये सारिका को फ्रेम करके देना तू, once we है ना.
I'll make a better one. Yes.
So
Yeah.
thank you Parveen for joining, and
Thank you so much, Alpu, for calling me and inviting me here. Yes. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
So guys, thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed. कैसा था आज का सेशन? Let me know. और let me remind you everyone that नवरंग गरबा मेंटर का जो है auditions has started. So you can fill the form. Google Doc available है. You can reach out to me or Siddesh, and we are ready to help. You can reach out to our mentors also existing. Secondly, next week we are going live from my own profile, Facebook page. Our guests are already lined up. So thank you so much. And Fitness First Meghavi, जिनका thumbs up आपको दिख रहा है comment में, she has started her virtual Zumba class. So once again, I would like to tell you, if you would like to enroll, you can approach to her, you can approach to me, and stay fit, stay wow. Bye. थक गया मैं भी.